Big desktop setups taking up too much space. Let's shrink it down. Welcome to the world of compact PC modding. This guide breaks down everything you need to build or mod a small form factor PC without losing performance. First, let's talk cases. Mini ITEX is your best friend, compact, sleek, and space-saving. Plan your components carefully. Smaller builds need smart spacing. No oversized GPUs or massive coolers here. Use low-profile coolers. They deliver solid performance while keeping everything tight inside the case. Cable management is key. Route cables smartly to maintain airflow and make it look clean. Bonus tip: use custom sleeved cables for a clean look and better flexibility in tight spaces. Go for an AFX power supply. It's smaller than ATX, but delivers the same juice for your components. Want to use a powerful GPU? Use a riser cable to mount it vertically. Saves space and looks pro. Yes, you can still mod with RGB. Just choose smaller fans and strips to match the compact space. Keep an eye on temperatures. Small builds can heat up fast. Good ventilation is a must. A powerful machine in a small footprint. Perfect for gaming, editing, or clean workspaces. From bulky to beautiful, compact PC modding is about making your space smarter and sleeker. Want more smart tech builds like this? Hit subscribe on Rapid Tech Bytes, your hub for compact power and clean design.